Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To install BorgBackup on Ubuntu, first update the package list and install it using the following command. Once the installation is complete, check the installed version by running the following command. If you need the latest version of BorgBackup, you can install it using pip. First install pip if it's not already installed. Then install BorgBackup with the next command. Since the installation is in the user directory, you need to add it to your path system. Run the following command to update your shell configuration. Now, initialize a BorgBackup repository with encryption using the following command. That's it, now you can start work with BorgBackup. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.